Okay, I have three ways to handle missing value. Okay? Okay? One way is eliminate, delete, or eliminate the data, object data or attribute data. One is eliminate. Eliminate or delete. Delete object, record, or delete attribute. Okay? When we can use these ways for handle missing value? When? In the all of cases we can use these ways.
No,
in the all of cases we should eliminate data.
If a data is small, we can delete this.
We can't. We can't delete if data is small.
But if a lot, we can't.
No, we can if data is small. If we eliminate, for example, we have the data with 5 records and 3 attributes.
Okay.
If we delete 2 records, I have not any data to mine. Okay?
Oh, okay.
If we have, one reason is if we have data with lower record and attribute, low dimension of data, if we have low dimension of data or low size of data, we can use eliminate weight. Because I have, for example, the data with this 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 attributes and 1, 2, 3, 4 objects. If we are delete attribute 3 and we are delete record 2, I have data with 3 attributes and 3 records, and the data is lower than, and I cannot processing this data by the mind. Okay? But if we have a data with high dimension or high size and now cases of the record of the attribute has missing value, we can use eliminate. Okay? If we have data with high dimension, for example 100 dimension, and high size of data, for example 1 million record,
We can't.
I can. In this case, I can eliminate. For example, I can eliminate 5 record of data because I have high lot of data. Yes.
بالنسبة لشنو تبي بالنسبة لشنو؟
هي تقول انه اذا عندنا قاعدة بيانات كبيرة
بالنسبة لشنو؟
Any data, text.
دايمنشن هواي، دايمنشن هواي يعني فيها 300 اتريبيوت 300 عمود 300 قصاص، فاحنا اذا نهدف 5 ما راح تتأثر بينما اذا عندنا 5 ونهدف 2 منهم يعني تصير مشكلة.
Okay, this is the one. And in the other case, if the efficient of the data that we made to eliminate this is high, I cannot eliminate this record. It's the record that I made to delete. It is a efficient record or it is a efficient attribute that have efficient in the mining. I cannot eliminate this. I should not eliminate this.
حتى إذا فرغ ما نقدر نهدف ما نهدف.
Okay? So the one way is to eliminate data object or variable for handling missing value. Two ways or second way is to estimate missing value. No, eliminate, estimate. For example,
تعويض يعني.
no تعويض, estimate.
افتراض.
Yes.
تقدير.
تقدير افتراض.
For example, some records. This is the age. I have a student with age 2030, 2020, 24, 20, 29. Huh? I may suggest that the age of this student between 20 and 30, and I can medium of others age of the student, and I can write, for example, 25 age for this object of this record that has no value, and I estimated this value. Okay? This is the second way of the handle missing value. The second way is estimate. And the third way is ignore the missing value during the process. No delete and no estimate, ignore. This, when we use ignore?
When it's not important data.
Not important and not lot of data. Not lot of missing data, okay? For example, in 100 data, we have 2 missing value, and it is not important. I ignore this missing value, okay? And this is the characteristic of data. Other characteristic of data is the duplicated data. Duplicated data. We have some duplicated attribute value in the data. Data set may include data objects that are duplicated or almost duplicated of one another. For example, in this table, I have 2 students with same attributes. One student duplicated in the feature of one student is repeated, okay, in this table, in this data set, duplicated data. The major issue when merging data from heterogeneous sources. For example, in the university, the information of a student are in the, for example, Sutter, Benaria Sutter. Your information in the Sutter building, and your information in the Paradise building, and your information in the Islami building. Okay? Your information are written in the 3 building of university: Sutter, Islami, and Paradise. Okay? And this data, each of building have a data set of a student. These data are merging in order. These data are merging in order. When merging this data in the one table, in this data we have 3 records for each student. Okay? Each record is duplicated, is repeat. For example, a student number 1, Mr. For example, Ali, the information of Mr. Ali is in table 3, 3 repeated in 3 times. Okay? It is a duplicated data.
هل الجداول هاي مطالبين بها لو بس توضيح؟ هذا رسم لا بالنسبة لنا صحيح. وزين اسويكم طوني فلوس يلا.
For example, in the Kashan University, okay, I have three departments. One is computer department, okay? One is mathematics department, and one is and other. Okay, we have three departments in the Kashan University. You have three lessons in this term, okay? Two lessons, data mining and machine learning, okay? Data mining and machine learning are in the computer department, okay? Data mining and machine learning is categorized in the computer department. But we have mathematics in AI. Yes, with
شنو department؟
Dr. Kazemi. Mathematics in AI.
والله
It is
عارف
categorized in the mathematics in AI. Categorized in the mathematics department. Okay?
مدير المهنة.
Your names, the information of this student. This student is the same. In the data mining and machine learning and mathematics is the same student, have the same student. For example, one student named Ali, the information of this student are written in the computer department, okay? Ali, for example, 23 and other information, okay? Is written in the computer department. And this record are written in the mathematics department. Okay? We are merging this record in the one database. In this database, we have name, age, and others. We have Ali for mathematics, 23, and we have Ali for computer. Yes, Dora. It is a duplicated data. Okay? For any reasons, this is done. For example, merging data from heterogeneous environment, heterogeneous data. It is a heterogeneous data that collected this data and merging this data from one table and from one data set. So the definition is data set may include data objects that are duplicated or almost duplicated of one another. Major issue when merging data from heterogeneous sources. Example, same person with multiple email address. What is the ways to handle this data?
Data cleaning. Data cleaning.
Cleaning, yes, data cleaning. The ways to handle this data is data cleaning this duplicated, deleted the one of this record from data set. Okay, this is named data cleaning. Data cleaning is the process of dealing with duplicated data issue. What is data cleaning? Process of dealing with duplicated data issue. This is the data. When should duplicated data not be removed? When the duplicated data not be removed? This is your task.
Uygulamalar.
This is your task for next lecture. Answer this question. When should duplicate data not be removed? And in duplicating data, we are not cleaning data.
يعني يصير جوجل يعني؟ لا
No, we are not remove. In
ليش ما
cleaning
يقدر-
data, in normal time, in cleaning data, we are delete this data. Okay? But we cannot delete this.
ليش ما يقدر نحذف هذا الحقل من دمج الميكانيك
When situation در چه شرایطی ما نمیتونیم داده ای رو پاک کنیم از دیتا ست؟ اینو براشون ترجمه کنید لطفا. این باشه به عنوان تسک جلسه آینده جواب این سوال.
هذا السؤال اللي جاوب
در چه شرایطی ما نمیتونیم در واقع داده ای رو حذف کنیم از دیتا ستمون حتی اگر تکراری باشه.
يعني هذا راح يكون سؤال محاضرة ثانية راح تجي راح تسألنا فيها.
سهل كله سهل. قال الكوسة فرج. صح عجب. الله كريم. الله كريم. شيء طالب بالعلم جزاء.
Similarity. Or listen. For next lecture, we can continue the listen from this slide. Similarity and dissimilarity.